Hello, lovely people. It's Stella and I'm super excited to welcome you to my channel. Decorating the Christmas tree is a cherished tradition that brings joy and festive spirit to homes around the world. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or a first-timer, this step-by-step guide will help you create a stunning Christmas tree that will be the centerpiece of your holiday celebrations. Step 1. Choose a theme and color scheme. Before you start decorating, decide on a theme and color scheme for your Christmas tree. Whether you prefer a traditional look with red and green or a modern, monochromatic style, having a theme in mind will guide your ornament selection and create a cohesive and visually pleasing display. Step 2. Fluff and shape the tree. If you're using an artificial tree, take the time to fluff and shape the branches. This will give your tree a fuller and more natural appearance, providing the perfect canvas for your decorations. If you have a real tree, ensure that it's well watered and positioned securely in its stand. Step 3. Hang lights. Start by stringing the lights on the tree. Begin at the top and work your way down, wrapping the lights around the branches to ensure an even distribution. Choose lights that complement your chosen color scheme and theme. LED lights are energy efficient and come in various colors and styles. Step 4. Add garlands and ribbons. Once the lights are in place, add garlands or ribbons to enhance the overall look. Drape them around the tree in a spiral or crisscross pattern for a polished and festive touch. Metallic or textured ribbons can add depth and interest to your tree. Step 5. Hang ornaments. Now comes the fun part, hanging ornaments. Place larger, statement ornaments first, evenly spaced around the tree. Then, fill in the gaps with smaller ornaments. Hang ornaments at various depths within the tree to create dimension. Consider incorporating sentimental ornaments or handmade decorations for a personal touch. Step 6. Place tree topper. The tree topper is the crowning glory of your Christmas tree. Choose a topper that complements your theme, whether it's a traditional angel, a classic star, or something more unique. Secure the topper at the highest point of the tree. Step 7. Fill empty spaces. Step back and assess your tree. If there are any empty spaces or uneven areas, fill them in with additional ornaments or decorations. This step ensures a well-balanced and visually appealing tree. Step 8. Skirt and tree stand. Complete your tree decoration by adding a tree skirt around the base to hide the stand and create a polished look. Choose a skirt that matches your theme or complements your color scheme. Follow these steps and you'll have a beautifully decorated Christmas tree that reflects your personal style and adds warmth to your holiday celebrations. Enjoy the festive atmosphere created by your stunning tree. Merry Christmas! If you're enjoying the ride, show some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe for more adventures with me.